Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. So in this problem, here one circuit is given here. So for the circuit, one source is there, that is 20 into cos 80. So asking that how to find resonant frequency, quality factor and bandwidth. So it is not series RL circuit as well as it is not parallel RL circuit. Now how can you find the resonant frequency, quality factor and bandwidth? Suppose if it is a parallel RL circuit, we can easily find the resonant frequency, quality factor and bandwidth very easily. So first of all, observe here, is there any chance to convert this given circuit into the parallel RL circuit? Yes, it's possible by using source transformation technique. So here, apply the source transformation technique for these two components. So first of all, this is the source transformation technique. So source transformation means source was connected, means one source to another source was connected. So here, one resistor on source, voltage source are connected in this pattern. So this will be replaced with a current source, that resistor in parallel. So here whatever the resistance is there, that resistance keep as it is. Here some voltage is given, this is. So according to Ohm's law, we know that V by R gives current. So this is the current. Now replace these two components with these two components. Now read our circuit. The circuit become like this. Okay. So this resistor will come as is, means the resistance is same, no change. So here 12 kilo ohms, and this is the current direction. So plus sign minus means this is the current direction upwards, and this is the voltage. So 20 cos 80 by, and resistance 12 kilo ohms. This is the current here. Now replace these two components, resistors with a single resistor. So then it become a RLC circuit. So here 12 kilo ohms and 45 kilo ohms are in parallel. The equivalent resistance for these two components is equivalent to 9.4737 kilo ohms. Now replace the single resistor, so that is 9.4737 kilo ohms. Now successfully we convert the given circuit to the parallel RLC circuit. Now we can easily find out resonant frequency, quality factor and bandwidth because we have direct formulas are there. So for finding resonant frequency, we have resonant frequency omega c equal to 1 by root LC. So this is L value, this is C value and this is R value. Now substitute here. So resonant frequency omega c equal to 1 by root of L is 60 millihenry, with 60 into milli means 10 power minus 3 into, and capacitance is 1 microfarad, that is 1 into 10 power minus 6. So by using calculator we will get this value. So that is equal to 4.082 kilo radians per second. This is the required resonant frequency in radians per second. Next, find bandwidth. So bandwidth B equal to, so that is equivalent to 1 by RC. So that's B. 1 by R is 9.4737 kilo means 10 power 3 into 1 C is 1 microfarad, that is 1 into 10 power minus 6. So by simplifying this we will get bandwidth, that is 105.55 radians per second. Next, what is quality factor? So the quality factor Q is defined as ratio of resonant frequency to the bandwidth. So that's equal to resonant frequency got 4.082 into kilo radians, that is 10 cube, upon, and bandwidth got 105.55 radians per second. So by using calculator we will get this value is equivalent to 38.67. It is the constant value. So this is the quality factor. So this is the resonant frequency and this is the bandwidth and this is the quality factor for the given RLC circuit. So and this is the process of simplification for any given circuit. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.